viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make cheese buzz garlic bread. It's a very simple recipe. You can make this in a jiffy. So let's get started. I'm going to take a bowl. Into this I'm going to add around 100 grams of butter. This is the plain butter at room temperature. Now I'm going to take garlics. We need 4 to 5 cloves of garlics. Now let's grate the garlic. So into this I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of parsley, finely chopped parsley, half teaspoon oregano. Now I'm going to add around half teaspoons of chili flakes. Now let's mix this well. And now to this I'm going to add around quarter teaspoon of salt as required. So our garlic butter is ready. Now I'm going to take bread slices. We want around 6 to 8 bread slices. Now for the first layer I'm going to take a bread slice, and now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese on top of this, shredded mozzarella cheese. This depends upon how much cheese you want. If you want it to be very cheesy, you can add more cheese. Next, another slice of bread on top of this. And now we are going to use the garlic butter which we had made. So we made one sandwich. Let's make another sandwich in the same procedure. I'm going to take a slice of bread and I'm going to add mozzarella cheese on top of it. So I'm going to take another bread, and now I'm going to spread the garlic butter on top of the one which we had made. So I have placed my garlic bread on the baking tray. I'm going to show you 2 ways. One, I'm going to bake it, and one I will also show you on how to make it on the stove, on the griddle. So this I'll be baking it at 250 degrees Celsius for around 3 minutes. For 2 to 3 minutes. I have also kept a griddle on the stove. It has heated. Now I'm going to place my garlic bread. I'll just turn it towards the butter side down. And now I'm going to keep this on very low flame, and after putting it on the griddle I'm going to add my garlic butter on top of this. We had just applied only on one side. We need to do it on the other side as well. So this is done. I will close this for some time as I want the cheese to melt. I have kept it on very low flame, mild flame. So 3 minutes are over. Now let's check our garlic bread. We will also check our sandwich which is on the stove. Now let's turn this. So you can see this is perfect. So this is perfect. Now we'll remove this on a plate. So let's make a quick cheesy dip. I've kept a small pot on medium flame. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon butter. So the butter has started to melt. Now to this I'm going to add 1/4 cup milk. You can also use cream, fresh cream. To this I'll be adding 3 cubes of cheese, processed cheese. I'm not gonna grate this as these cheese cubes are very soft. But if your cheese cubes are a bit harder, you just grate it and just add. I have kept this on low flame, very low flame, and now I'm going to mix this. I'm going to sprinkle some oregano. This is optional. I'm going to cook this only until the cheese starts to melt and this has to thicken. It might take a minute or two, that's it. And lastly, a dash of salt. This is totally optional. Now let's mix this well. So our cheesy dip is ready. Now I'm going to turn off my flame. So this is perfect. Now let's transfer this into a bowl. Let's cut them. It's a very simple yet very delicious garlic bread. Please give it a try. So this is my cheese burst garlic bread. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and do share it with your friends.